If you've recently faced security checks on your Spotify account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and attempt to log into your account using your credentials. If you are unable to log in, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Check your email. Before starting recovery, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Reset your password. If you cannot access your account, use the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 4. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any identity verification steps required by Spotify. This may include answering security questions or confirming your identity through a verification code sent to your email or phone. Step 5. Contact Spotify support. If you still cannot access your account after following the previous steps, reach out to Spotify support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information about your account and the issues you are facing. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Spotify account. If problems persist, continue to seek help from Spotify's support team.